This is a 360 video. You can turn your phone to landscape and swipe your screen left, right, up, down, or you can move your phone around left, right, up, down, or if you're on your computer, you can press WASD. W for up, A for down, S for right, D for left, something like that. And so let's give it a shot now. You can swipe your screen, turn until you see me, and if you see me, hello. Landscape is best. If you can't see me clearly, you can tap the go to settings or the three dots and up the resolution to 2160 if you can. I see.
Chinelo.
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 Avocado. So we're at the farm. And they have to walk all this way.
Dani gino. Cada longe. Aulo janja ka finandi sase. Ai atitika kindi bosi na pela. No, you.
Buon nome? Buon nome?
Mio nome?
Sì.
Zefira.
Zesira?
Zefira giù.
Zesira giù. Ah.
Ali.
Arroz.
Esse é arroz.
Ah. Esse pepino.
Ali pepino, ali arroz.
Ali arroz.
Arroz sumia lana es bulanya.
Okay.
Tendo atakija atente no mano saja. Arroz. Woja pepino.
Chegou, mamãe, tô balo de amor.
Ate
Aí uma preparação de boa, pô, tô deito.
Unya monta. Uno na gero dinya ni pidi.
Olha, você pediu que uni e sorgete, caranho lá tá sumo, ala tá temba ka monta tô pedi.
Ontem, vai praia.
Lá.
Abo, vai.
What?
Abo, vai aonde?
Horse.
Não, caramba, miga, gai.
Praia, lá.
Sim, não.
Amém. Aí bem fine. Yo, ati é de problema. Yo, me tem problema.
Tudo da TV. Tudo bem já. Tudo vai lá, já era todo, mas eu já estou tudo batendo na tua pintura. Até depois não frio, do teu quietinho.
Amém. E água?
Água. Yo. Minha cacalawa, colom de comer água. Lá na praia.
Sim, lá na praia.
E tá apanha pis.
Ok.
Te não vou dar isso de coco voar vai. Asa que goza de sete.
Olha, ali de onde? Esse é.
Pepino.
Pepino.
Sim. Muito pepino.
Pepino, tira pena, bacia. Leva.
Ok.
Tira pena, bacia, leva.
Entendi.
Me, agilo. Ada entendere. Ada pepino.
Kanda hasa.
Anya solo. Awagde. Pura mito kifini. Oluso jengle ore seno jirondo.
Nej, då såg jag.
Au tu kate marifa. Yo. Ngi firma.
Dai se toma de ballo no ba.
Jaja.
Na fero sevlo.
Baru bukan.
Ane wana ara da ai firma ta tena lando.
Dada wotita.
Wota. Ezela wena. Ezela da ni wajira. Sevlo. Te,
Yensenye unya sai.
da sema. Ngwarma. Oh. Fitilo balo ba bob marro. Te no kuru kudu la ka video kama sensa. Ngwarma ngorum de. Bagi wa omto ma. Papa beru pipinu ni ndawi. Da sama balo. Ka balo ni baba.
Diliru ma do banto.
Yo. Wadi balo. O balo ni baba.
Tendu unya ati punu fata. Unya, tenu londo ati punu fata.
Que es mora aqui? Que es mora aqui?
Não, esse baga.
Oh, baga.
Ele que tá full cinto aqui, grande, sim.
Grande. Sim.
Me te dou aqui, é mura. Come mura, pá.
So here we are on the farm. As you have seen me coming in here, you're going to see me coming in here. We had to get up 5 o'clock to come here. These people are great. If you saw the distance that I drove, that they had to walk to come here. So there are 3 families. There's one family here, one family there, and the husband went over there, and the other family's up there. Yeah, that's 3. And they come early in the morning. And believe it or not, when I was coming down the dark, there were people that were actually here already this morning. Already here. So this entire thing is cucumber. Entire thing is cucumber. And they do not wait. Because I was doing a farming program and everybody was waiting. Oh, we need fencing. Oh, we need borehole. They have not waited for nobody. So people in Africa do try. They didn't wait. Look, I'm going to show you the fence. Rain really came. All of this is cucumber or pepino. But you see their fence? They built their fence. So these people, they do not wait. And these are people I would like to help if I can. Or when I can, if I do another farming project. Because they're trying. Some other people, we have no fence. Look, these people build fence. You know how far this place is off the road? You saw the journey of me coming in. They built their fence. They dug their wells. They have everything here. They're not sitting waiting for anybody. And this entire thing. This cucumber, they planted it. No machine, hand. They till the soil, hand. See the camera woman? Camera woman is picking cucumber.
Female, I'm dog, mate. Oh, right.
No. Now.
Yeah.
Now.
I took so already. I said, me popalo. Imagine limpono no. Ni vino kita le nang video berceng cinta di situ. Kami marahnya papa dinner di jangkang. No yo na sandi. Kita lo iunya. Tu no pesa yoki. Buku pampele. Sapi sono kawani foto. Mino peda che la vero la batta che deve avere a modo tanto. Appena a volte vittene. Rimane comanda ti con non da jeji. Uenda. Como se encasto haso punu jana se fa. Punu na. Atro sha ka kana bibiru. Ke blaka bodje. Aba pulu ati. Sorry kanya ya tidak baca rimol ini semua kampung semua tanda aku cari perempuan apa
Little boy is picking all the young ones. Picking everything young. Let me go pick some cucumbers.
Ya en pipino.
Ada dukunya aja coba. Lihatlah pantai dan lain.
Fresh cucumber.
Agak kaget.
Lihatlah kiri solan. Yo balu solan.
Belum mimpi. Ali ini.
I'm not just standing up. I'm part of the workforce. My eyes are not that good. I don't know how she do it. My eyes are not that good for. I guess after a few hours, my eyes would get it. So my camera roll is going to offload. He's gonna fill the big basket and then come again. Let me show you how big this farm is. That these people did by hand. So in Africa, they try. They did all of this by hand, all the way to the swamp. Pino. Try not to walk on vines. The area is nice, you know. I'm not gonna lie, you know, I was vexed this morning. I did not even get enough sleep because I was up watching Netflix. Yes, I have Netflix on my iPad. So they were up watching Netflix until 1 o'clock this morning. Then I slept and then they came and woke me up at 5 o'clock. Man, I'm tired. I'm tired. tired. But I'm happy they woke me up. This entire thing they did by hand. What? These people are great. And they pick in a basket and go. Ooh, look at that millipede. It's a big millipede. Should I put it in my hand? Do you know millipede has cyanide? Yeah. So the small smell that millipede gives off is cyanide. Yeah. Man. Me and this grass. We're gonna fly through this grass. There's another family down here. Hey. Big grass. Big grass. Yo, I'm walking and I'm tired. So imagine these people working all these banks. Look, they work all these banks. Even this small bank through here. Cucumber. See another family down here picking. I don't want to disturb her because they're trying to pick before the sun comes out. See that? You know the real me, the 5-year-old me is like, what's over there? But I have on chupeto, chinelo. Yeah, now they call me chupeto, which is lollipop. So I made a mistake and I said chupeto instead of saying chinelo. I've only got to have chinelos on, but I want to go there. But my 5-year-old brain is saying, let's go. But I've only got chinelos. I should have had boots on. Not a cucumber here. She has plenty of cucumber. Maybe they haven't come down here. Oh man. I want to go, you know. I want to go. The closer I get, the more I want to go. But now, man, I need boots. I'm not going there without boots. But it looks so nice. I don't know how, but I came down here with 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I came with 11 people. How is 11 people? How are, yes, 11 people. Plus 6 bags of pepino, 6 buckets of pepino going to fit in my van. That's the puzzle we have today. Yeah, so as you can see, big farm. So order your pepinos from Guinea-Bissau. It's natural. You want organic? No fertilizer. Why eat? Here's an advert for Guinea-Bissau. Why buy GMO pepino or cucumbers when here in Guinea-Bissau we plant it organically in the soil? No fertilizer. Natural rain. Everything is natural, as you can see. And these tomatoes are hand-picked, fresh, and shipped to your door. What more do you want? But have your fresh Guinea-Bissau cucumber, or as they call it, pepino. Can't get no more organic than this, you know? I don't know why I want. But everybody's oh, I want to eat organic, non-GMO foods. Hey, I'm in the countryside now and I haven't had nothing but organic. Yo, this farm is big. I'm walking and I'm tired. My lazy fat self. The woman just has a baby and she's walking. Oh man, my man. Oh, arroz, rice. There's rice on the other side. Oh, they divided. So there's rice on the other side. Let's go to the rice plant. Look where the rice is. You mean I cross there again? See me and these long grasses and slippers? Yeah, not lollipop this time, slippers. So my nickname now is Lollipop. Yeah. They're having fun of me this morning. Lollipop. The same as we do in the Caribbean. You make a mistake, that's your name. Boy. Imagine if I live here. Everybody's calling me Lollipop. Lollipop, Lollipop, Lollipop. Chupeto, chupeto. Chupeto, bing, bing, chupeto. Yeah, they will be calling me Lollipop. Hopefully when I leave and come back, they'll forget the name. Oh my gosh. I don't want nobody calling me Lollipop. Hope it does not stick. Yeah. But I have to look down when I'm walking because I do not want to mess up these organically planted pepino. Which is better? The sound of whap whap whap, beep 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 beep. Hey, move your effing car! Listen to the early morning. Me go shut them out. Have a look around and listen. That's my gym work. Instead of going to the gym, you can come here and organically lose weight. My problem is every house I go, they feed me. And last night we had a feast. We had crab and rice. Crab by itself, pino with margherita, with salt and pepper. Boy, that pepper banged me at the end. Boy, I wanted to boil. But it was nice. It wasn't hot fire pepper. It was just spicy and nice. But it was nice, man. And then we had macaroni with potato, and because it was late, so we couldn't buy fish. So we had sardine. You know, that's the only chemical stuff I had. Oh! So if you want to lose your belly organically, come to Africa. I have a farm for you to work on. And I guarantee you, you wake up early in the morning, run to the gym, wake you up early in the morning, and come and work on this farm. Pick some pepino. And when it's rice time, come and pick rice. Wait. Some big, no, I want a small cucumber. There's another big cucumber there. Yeah, this place has a lot of cucumber. No, I'm not going to call it pepino. Oh, they stepped on that one. See, camera girl? She's working hard. They're trying. They may not have money that you make in a bank, but they're not starving. They're trying. I want to pick a small cucumber myself. I don't want to get it from the bucket. But they probably already picked here. So that was the land tour. So she's filling the baskets. She's filling the bucket. Okay, well, damn, they pick everything. Mississippi Pequeno Pequeno. Ah, yes.
Não, kila tomes. Yes.
No come.
Mm.
No.
Pera laba. Kal
Okay.
kunst, kal.
Ah.
Kal.
Eh.
Ai, bis.
Ah, desculpe.
Ah,
Ah, yes.
pera pambay laba. Kal.
She refused to let me eat it. She said she's going to wash it. Pampai laba. Laba means to wash. So she said, come let me wash it. I told her I want a small one. So I took a medium-sized one. I said, come play laba. Oh, this is the well. See, they have their own well. People are filming and watching. I should have helped her with the water. I should have helped her. Ah, obrigado. After my workout of walking around the farm, I have my pepino. Tell you. Oh, I see what they did. They plant seeds next to the gate to lock it. Then they tie these strings around. So the vine and the string is a lock. Yeah. You couldn't believe this. I stuck my camera in the tree for 2 hours to get this morning sound. Nothing. The camera was off. Cannot believe this. But anyway, we're washing the cucumbers now. So they're washing the cucumber. See, in English, cucumber. Yeah, so they pick them and they're washing them now. This is a lot. Gate man is putting back the gate. Yeah, because the gate man, he doesn't want me to see the lock. So he's hiding the lock.
I look be paying to bat wong lo tiksak. Apo ti rutin lang mo tay na mo tiksak. Apa to em ti nya na lang. Para mol go pulo kis. Baba tumo. Iku mulali. Padlo patong nervo na to no ka ka. Mara mi papa. Mo ja ki mo to ni de wa poto biti. Ke mo bob labi ni da boro ba biti labi. Ya makabita bis ko pili bia pili ko ko ni ya ka sa ko ko ni ni da ja ututu pa se nya na ko le to ko du pe nya pe wa ndaro bot pa ko ai no mabjek ya long mai si ai fa da ko bia bot ka da so de to da ko mi da ko re ken di do bis.
So my people are coming. I think they load in the truck. They load in the truck. Oh, this is the local bush taxi. So taxi. Ah bon. Taxi. Taxi.
Motocar.
Motorcab. Okay.
Tiene moto diante, carro atrás.
Carro atrás. Moto diante.
Carro atrás.
Carro atrás.
Motocar.
Motorcab. Okay. ¿Es cuánto para motorcar?
1 millón.
1 millón.
1.900.000. Tem más grande.
Okay.
Claro, 1 millón Y 500.
Ah, okay. And this is the main road. So like the girls you saw there, they will walk with those tickles on their head. It's 11 kilometers from here to the village where they go. So we'll see you again. So we have made it back to the house. I am tired. I only got 3 hours sleep last night. Mila.
Ati kina mila. Mi hujan jaja kau kone ki hujan sayul jaja kau. Mai marpo. Sabu. Obrigado.
Monday, eh? Yes.
Te udah sayul nya kuning jar kuning. Anse. Nah, kod mitan, watching all this. Oda, avere dentro che firma la.
Ini kan itu Pak lu salah geranjir gitu. Teh. Bari janjire dentro ini.
Anche là?
Coloni.
No, 250. 200.
Vabbè, Nada senente coisa, bro. Nibia. Piga bene tu jau. Adangelo. Ela ndi wati wana ni kazi. Sunday ndi pul nyanko ne answer. Uja atsa yul nyako ne kinja jaka.
Minto di calcio.
Te.
Sì, pure.
Hanno copiato tanto.
A tu vabre.
Mel? Mel?
Milfra.
Sabat. Oh, serve.
Ok, esse canto.
Come a flambare prima. Assim. Come? S, 500. 3, 500.
500.
Ndibia mba Sunday.
Ma coca.
Sunday kumana.
200.
Não.
200.
Não. 500, Bissau.
200. 200.
Não. Ali eu gosto de tudo.
Bissau.
1000.
Now,
Bissau.
okay. Aqui não Bissau. Aqui Braga.
Aqui Braga. Foi muito.
Aqui Tudo.
Libia no pula. Libia. Kuni kikasa ni ulindi na di horta lipu ngola. Usa jari ulnya kuni njaja ka. Ndo beone. Para tinga
Aqui
chisi.
não Bissau. Aqui Braga.
Ndime amauli
Na Brabis. Na Brabis. 200.
500.
200. 500. Bandito.
Assim aqui.
Az.
Não aqui. É fruta não aqui, mês de agosto. É só mês de setembro, muito. Gosto não.
Na bai.
Oi.
Não como tá caminhando.
Ya. Upa. Na. Akete kawa. Sansa.
500. Por barato, Bissau, 5.000 francs. Esse não há aqui. Mês de agosto não há.
Essa que na aqui.
Dá muito aqui. Só mês de setembro, é muito. Gosto não.
Niti já com conhece merco chulo pepino me jamnhos.
Uma senhora trouxe aqui para nós.
Qual que é o português?
Não aqui. Essa é muito caro.
Na Brabis,
Bravis?
10
Não.
para 1000 francs.
Só 6. Só
10.
Só ficar 6.
10.
6. Não.
6. 6.
Eu não tenho aqui.
What, 10 para 1000 francs?
Não.
6.
6. Para você 6. Bissau 5.
Ah, o change ne bom 500.
Não. Já cá de 500. Eu estou logo aqui. Eu estou logo aqui. Está 500. A tanta minha.
Mas 6.000 francs.
6.000 francs.
Manda 4. 6.000 francs.
Tem 1000 francs. Mitzi 1000 francs.
Mitzi 1000 francs.
Mitzi 1000
Não
francs.
joga aqui.
Diti.
Você comer uma. Olha, já ficou 5. Eu não tenho. A família mandou.
So, 200. Para 200.
200 para não. 200 para tem que ficar 5. Você leva 6.
Let me see.
Acabou. Não acabou da carne.
Quando vai filmar o canal português?
Ni api mari chona. Ne go je no ne. Na diriti kesara.
Rafina la solas.
Ka. Ayo nyawata wa blahi wani.
Aqui.
Kilo ki. Eu na inda não tá aqui.